सबसे पहले तो नमन to all the soldiers fighting in the border of Ladakh, and Shraddhanjali to all those who have laid down their lives for the sake of our nation. With the government putting a ban on 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok, जो कि इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान सभी एज ग्रुप के लोगों का एक साथी बन गया था. I believe those people are all flabbergasted. But then the love for our nation and its security is much more than the love for these apps which we have bid goodbye to. है ना? Okay. I had pointed out in my previous video that the population of our country is a strength if we look at it from the point of view of other nations. Considering the present situation, it is a strength from our point of view as well. How? 200 million users थे TikTok के इंडिया में, out of which 120 MAU, that is monthly active users. 50 million users for Hello and 22 million users for Bigo Live. हम थोड़े सेल्फी ऑब्सेस्ड भी हैं, तो हमारा ये वीकनेस उनका स्ट्रेंथ बन गया, and India became the second largest market for selfie enhancement apps like Me Too, like Beauty Plus, like Makeup Plus. Share It, जो कि Lenovo का ऐप है, it had 400 million users in India, whereas UC browser had 130 million active users, monthly active users. और QQ के नाम से जो भी लिस्ट ऑफ एप्स शुरू होती थी, जैसे कि QQ न्यूज़ फीड, QQ सिक्योरिटी सेंटर, QQ प्लेयर और वीसिंक, इन सब का जो कंपनी है दैट इज कॉल्ड Tencent had a turnover of 53 billion US dollars in 2019. 53,000 करोड़ का टर्नओवर 2019 में था. और शॉपिंग एप्स भी लाइक क्लब फैक्ट्री एंड शीन को भी हमने काफ़ी मार्केट शेयर दिया था. लाइक क्लब फैक्ट्री हैड 100 million users, Shein had 5 million users. So China has lost a huge market in India, and banning these apps have hit China's soft power in such a way that even their foreign affairs ministry are actually seriously concerned about this. And हुई ना हमारी आबादी हमारी स्ट्रेंथ. इस हिसाब से वो लोग तो हमको धमकी देना भी शुरू कर दिए हैं कि they'll drag us to the doorstep of WTO, stating that this is against the norms of the World Trade Organization. But then the Indian government has banned it under Section 69A, stating that security, sovereignty and integrity of Indians using these apps are at stake. अब solution क्या है? Vocal for local is the main solution. We are going the Atmanirbhar way, remember? Well, we all need to support our domestic firms. There are a number of budding entrepreneurs who have made substitutes for TikTok also. Like Naveen Tiwari of InMobi has made Raposo, and Varun Saxena for his app Bolo India. There is an app called Chingari, whose founder is Biswatma Nayak. Then there is Ankit Prasad, who has created an app called Bobble AI. वैसे इन लोगों ने मुझे पैसे नहीं दिए उनका नाम लेने के लिए. When the pandemic hit India and we were struggling with shortage of PPE kits, did we even imagine that we will be exporting PPE kits in another 3 months' time? but our entrepreneurs did. So why not this? So just as individuals, we need to support them, and it is absolutely necessary to be vocal for local and to buy made in India goods. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। वंदे मातरम।